right, I think it's time to unleash my inner demon, as some of the alpha male red pill guys say. You know, escape the matrix and shit. So let's do this, but first let's upgrade this motherfucker.
So why do good girls like bad guys? I had this question for a real long time. I've been a bad boy, yeah.
All right, now I'm broke, and here are the perks I'm running. Friends to the End, Nurse's Calling, Pop Goes the Weasel, and Spies from the Shadows. These are the add-ons. Don't really feel like talking about them. Never played this character. Didn't read any of this shit. Played against him at Survivor a couple times. Why not? Let's fucking do this. Holy fuck, finally. It only took like fucking 9 minutes. Fucking great. Alright, let's try this again. These are the fucking perks I'm running. Friends to the End, Nurse's Calling, Pop Goes the Weasel, and Spies from the Shadows. Don't judge me. I only fucking started this game about a week ago, so let's fucking do this. Oh, I'm going to Twitch person. Oh, fuck. Alright, let's go Alpha Wolf mode. High value male. Or high value man. 6 figures. 6 foot. And 6 inches. That's the rule, right? What up, bitch? Rawr. Fuck! Already starting off great. Starting off great. Right in the cheeks. I can smell you. Oh my god, I'm ass. Holy fuck, don't pay attention. Don't put that in the video. What's a Scooby-Doo? We're coming after you. We're gonna solve that mystery. Holy fuck. Alright, I'm abandoning ship. Oh my god, this is... I'm getting fucking worked. I'm getting worked like fucking... Who got worked? Let me see. Let me think of. Someone that got worked. Someone that got worked. Oh, just big bite of wood. I'm getting worked like Boogie 998 in this fucking boxing fight. Oh no, I got the fucking perfect idea. I got worked like Bradley Martin when he fucking wrestled that one wrestler guy and his ass cheeks fell out in the middle of his gym. That show was fucking funny. Man, I suck ass. I haven't hooked anyone there to have 2 gens. Holy fuck, I'm getting destroyed. Holy shit. There's no fucking 0 chance. Oh my god. I just gotta tunnel someone. I'm gonna tunnel this bitch. Alpha Wolf mode activated. I will, holy hell, just bit her ankles. Nibbled at them. What are you doing? I'm taking her soul. You can't have her. She's mine. Get away from her. Yeah! Yeah! Get away. She's mine. My kitten. No! Oh! You can't have her. She's mine forever. No! No! Fuck, I lose. Wow, I got worked. I'm so bad. Wow, what a horrible fucking game. Did you have fun? Yeah, I had fun. Customer support. Yeah, get me straight to the bitch. What can I help you with? Skill issue. GG, I had so much... Fuck, I can't spell. Small... with. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, let's fucking do this. This time I'm not gonna get fucking 4 of my kittens to run away from me. Alright, searching for kittens. Why the fuck am I out here? Oh, there's a kitten. What up, kitten? Oh, there's 2 of them. Oh, nice fucking bite of that door frame. Oh my god, I just bit the fucking little fucking pull string at the back of her shoes. His shoes, I don't know. Oh my fucking god, I'm horrible, dude. I need to fucking retire. Holy shit, I'm cooked. You fucking asshole. Inner wolf. Oh, what the fuck? Right in my fucking dome. Why the fuck are you mocking me? Alright, let's fucking do this. Aru. Showing dominance. Oh! What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god, I just ate that fucking door frame. Oh, what? Wow. Howl on you, bitch. Yep. You've been bothering me all fucking game. I could try and go to the other door. Well, we just ran into a dead end. Well, I can't get out. Oh my fucking god! What's with me in door frames? Holy fuck! Oh, they're right here. Amazing. Don't let him save him. No. Keep being a hero, bitch. Yeah, keep being a hero. That's what you get for being a hero. I fucking hit this guy again. Don't be a hero, bitch. Don't be a hero. Oh my god, what's with people being heroes? Fuck. You see what you did to yourself? Now let me howl for you. If you think about every job in the world, hands down, what do you think is the hardest job? Because by the way some of these Starbucks employees fucking act or fucking post on the internet, they fucking swear by God they have the fucking hardest job. It has to be hard work, no? Putting fucking different syrups in different cups and shit, charging fucking $9 for a fucking chemical cocktail. Are they all doing the middle gen? This game is so fucking wonderful. It tickles my fucking willy. I had it my first day at college recently, and it was pretty alright. Nothing to write home about, you know, but it was. I have a 4-hour class for chemistry, and the teacher isn't supposed to give us breaks, but there, out of the kindness of his heart, he gave us a break from the fucking 4-hour and 10-minute class, right? So he's like, yeah, take a break, we'll reconvene in a little bit. So I didn't take a break because I didn't feel like I need one. So 15 minutes go by. I just fucking burned the fuck out that tree. 15 minutes go by and then the class starts up again. And then there's one kid that still hasn't came back. Like, the teacher was curious where he went, right? An hour later, he came back with the fucking Dunkin' Donuts cup. This man took an hour break on a 4-hour class. I don't know. Yeah, I thought it was crazy. I thought to take an hour-long break in a 4-hour class is insane. On the first day of school too. Holy shit! I fucking chew on rocks. Holy hell! I got blew up that generator. What an idiot. Ah, my head. Oh, my head. Hatch points. Well, not the best game.
The powerful always judge the weak.
Yep, the powerful always judge the weak. All right, I think that's the end of the video. I really don't know what to say for an outro, so see ya.